you ever pondered the electrifying possibility of JavaScript, Java, and Python uniting to form the ultimate tech league? Welcome, tech aficionados, to a thrilling exploration of this fascinating scenario. Think of JavaScript as our Iron Man of programming languages. Sleek, stylish, and versatile, it's the tech superhero that brings the web to life, injecting dynamic interactivity into static pages. Just as Tony Stark dons his suit to transform into Iron Man, JavaScript morphs dull static web pages into vibrant interactive experiences. But every superhero team needs a powerhouse, right? Enter Java, the Superman of strength. Java parallels the Man of Steel in the tech world, boasting unrivaled power and superb multi-threading capabilities. It handles massive workloads with ease, flexing its digital muscles to handle complex computations and large-scale applications. Then there's Python, the Batman of versatility. Just as Batman has a gadget for every situation, Python flaunts an impressive utility belt of libraries ready to take on any programming challenge. Its simplicity and versatility make it a favorite among both novice coders and seasoned developers. Now imagine these three titans of tech joining forces to form the ultimate tech league. With JavaScript adding the sparkle of interactivity, Java flexing its computational muscles, and Python smoothing out every intricate detail, this alliance would be unstoppable. Together, they could reshape the digital world as we know it, just like the Avengers or the Justice League. But what's your take on this? Which programming language would be your superhero of choice? Are you Team Iron Man JavaScript, Team Superman Java, or Team Batman Python? Perhaps you're rooting for the unity of the tech league. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, if you enjoyed this tech adventure, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And for more epic tech content, subscribe to the Tech Superhero Headquarters. Stay tuned for more incredible tech adventures. This journey is just beginning.